Hi guys, Mr. Shiny Side here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my July 2018 Boxycharm unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. I love the little details of the Hello Charmer. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into our Boxycharm. Starting off, we got the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is a full size, and I believe it's around $40. And this is supposed to be good for under eye bags and dark circles, which I definitely need some help with, so I'm excited for that. The next product that we have in this month's box is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Looks like that. Now, I would have assumed that this would be similar to, I don't know if it's Maybelline or L'Oreal. Someone from the drugstore has a eyebrow gel that comes out in like a clicky, almost like a spoolie, and you click it and it comes through the spoolie and you're supposed to brush it through your brows. This is actually a brush on one side, and the product is in the cap, so you're actually supposed to dip in and then put it on. So that's pretty interesting. Excited to try that out. The brush definitely looks too thick, so I might just end up using my own brush with this. But I don't usually use eyebrow gels. I did use one today. I'm wearing the Wonder Brow, but that's another situation where the brush is not ideal for application. But I'm excited to try that out, and I'm glad it's in taupe. So that's the color I use for my brows. The next product is the Wander Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love the tube. It looks so high-end. I know Wander Beauty just started being sold at Sephora. If you don't get Boxycharm and you want to know where to pick this up at, and it says that this is good for 6 months. I'm not going to open it right now just because I have too many mascaras open, but I am excited to try out this brand because I've never used anything from them before. The next item we have is a Note Blush. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in number 5, Desert Rose. Packaging is pretty bulky for just a blush. I feel like there should be like something underneath of this or something, I don't know. But looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It is very silky. Definitely would have gone well with the look that I have on today. Very blendable, very pigmented. And then they sent us another palette. This is a Crown Pro. So Crown brushes have their own makeup, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Definitely could have been something I used on my eyes today. I did not end up using this palette, but I hadn't opened this box yet when I put my face on, so I will definitely use this next. But let's just go ahead and swatch a couple of the shades. I definitely want to swatch this one since it's similar to what I have on. Ooh. And then maybe like the transition shade. And then I want to see if this is a satin or a shimmer on that lighter color. Looks like the lightest color in there is more of a metallic, so that's not going to be something I can put under the brow bone, but very excited to try out a new palette. And the value of this box is right around $134, so again, Boxycharm is $21 to get full-size products. A couple things I'm really excited about. I'm excited about this palette. You can never have too many palettes. It says the makeup order. The Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Needles No More Eye Gel is pretty awesome. And also the Wander Beauty Mascara I'm excited for. I'm kind of on the fence with the blush, and I'm kind of on the fence with the brow product. That will have to be something that I use in a future video. So that's it. That's everything that I received this month. And I do believe from looking at the card, it looks like you could have either gotten something from Wander Beauty or from Pharmacy. So let me know if you got the thing from Pharmacy. What did you get? So, well, that is everything that I received in my July 2018 Boxycharm. What did you receive this month? Have you seen other boxes come out that have intrigued you? I know that the Sephora just launched a Luxe box that is going to be coming out tomorrow when I film this video. So I will definitely try and find people spilling what's in the box so that I can decide if I want to purchase it or not. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell. That way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shiny Side on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shiny Side on Facebook and Pinterest, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys!